it was really interesting how the boat went along the harbor, and then as we came back, it was a really different view, and I got to see in Japanese or in English it's called the Red Bridge, and it's a pedestrian bridge. It goes out to this little island, and I've walked it before, and seeing it from the water is really cool. It's really exciting. And now there's a beautiful sunset we're seeing right now. It's too bad. Maybe you can see it later on this video. I had a really great time.
Today was my first time to make sushi and was very enjoyed. And I like this beautiful rose and very enjoying to making it and eat it also. I'm very enjoying.